Hello everyone, we got action news for today's video. We can see here from Brad Garlinghouse, day 1 priorities for POTUS. Look at this, guys. Now, Joe Biden, President Biden, guys, what do you guys think about this? I mean, I don't want to get too political on this channel, but we can see right here what is taking place today. From New York Times, President Biden recommitted the U.S. to Paris Climate Agreement, the international accord designed to avert catastrophic global warming. Now, when you look at that, guys, global warming, remember the narrative being played right here on why we need a greener economy. Remember, Bitcoin is not allowed because it has too much energy consumption and everything like that. So, at the end of the day, we see here what the narrative is going on with this new economy that's supposed to come soon. But the question is, when will that take place? When will that happen? Comment down below. What do you guys think about Brad Garlinghouse tweeting this out? Remember, he did tweet out a check mark as well. Interesting. Next one comes from XRP Photographer. In 30 days, NYAG will rule on USDT. In 30 days, Ripple sits down with... Look at this, guys. This is crazy. With the SEC to settle or to go to court. Coincidence? All eyes on February 22. What is the timing of this? What is it? In 30 days, they'll see what is taking place with USDT. And in 30 days, Ripple sees what will be taking place with the SEC. Let's check this out, guys. Buckle your seatbelts and New York Attorney General to decide on Tether in 30 days. iFinex Inc., parent company of stablecoins operator Tether and Bitfinex Exchange, has produced a substantial volume of documents to support its case against New York Attorney General. The outcome of the case could have a huge impact on digital assets markets, with Tether regarded as the asset that backs up much of Bitcoin's price. Look at that, guys. What is the coincidence of this? Like, there is obviously no coincidences, because everything's pre-planned. 30 days. Remember, downfall of Bitcoin, rise of XRP. Guys, how it can't be more perfect than this, honestly. Bitfinex Tether in scramble mode. They're panicking, guys. They are panicking. We can see what is going to take place. Tether's place in the digital asset industry. Now, comment down below, what do you guys think will take place? I mean, we can see what is going to happen with Tether next month, exactly in 30 days, and with the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. Crazy timing, to say in fact. Next one comes from Tristan Overton. Bitcoin all-time high broken December 2020. Ethereum all-time high broken January 2021. XRP all-time high broken February 2021. Be patient. Now, guys, it is aligning much more. It can't be this perfect. 1, 2, 3. XRP. Imagine XRP breaks its all-time high next month, because remember, February is the month of the Phoenix. The symbol behind February is the Phoenix, and we just seen the 2 lawsuits next month as well. How? I don't know. Next, it comes from XP Crypto Wolf. We can see right here, said the new SEC chairman will be faced with providing regulatory clarity from day 1, and that she hopes it leaves room for innovation. Let's check this out.
SEC's crypto mom demands innovation, says you can't prosecute an algorithm. SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce spoke at the CFC 2021 virtual blockchain conference on January 20th. Where she discussed the prospect of working with the new Biden-appointed chairman, and touched on her hopes of providing the cryptocurrency space with some safe harbor. Known affectionately by cryptocurrency enthusiasts as Crypto Mom, Peirce addressed the changeover at the SEC that saw former chairman Jay Clayton depart his post in December. Incoming President Joe Biden has since nominated Gary Gensler for the role. Peirce said Gensler's appointment was not yet set in stone, but that the appointment of any new chairman brings an opportunity to approach things with a new set of eyes. There have been quite a few changes in the last year, and so I think a change in leadership is a good opportunity to take a look at those changes, including institutionalization. We've obviously seen the price of Bitcoin rise quite a bit, We've seen a lot of activity in the DeFi space, and I think all of these things will provide a nice framework against which a new chairman can take a fresh look at questions across the board in the crypto space. The SEC commissioner touched on the perennial sword of Damocles that's been hanging over the cryptocurrency space since its inception, namely, regulation. But the goal of regulation should be to provide clarity, according to Peirce, adding that she hoped the new chairman would make sure the US was still conducive to innovation. We really need to embrace innovation, and figure out how we can set up a regulatory environment that's conducive to innovation, which I think in our space means providing clarity.
Now guys, do you think Bitcoin will come into the future of the new economy? Because remember, regulations is coming soon. It really is, guys. Clarity, regulations, all of this stuff is happening right before our eyes. If we go to the next one from Stephen Bull, according to European Commission perspective, XRP is not deemed a security. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are defined as a digital representation of value. Look at this, guys. Alternatively, crypto assets not fitting into the token qualification could fall into a larger qualification where crypto assets not issued through an initial coin offering could fit into Bitcoin, Ether, Ripple. This larger category of crypto assets could be defined as any digital representation of value, and include any crypto asset meeting the following criteria. Now, guys, we can see the value. Remember, Ripple, XRP. They are still calling it Ripple. They really are, guys. They don't want to say XRP for some very odd reason. Next, it comes from XRP Patience. We can see right here, somebody's got some deep XRP pockets. New XRP will discovered from ODL bots. Look at this, guys. This 100 million XRP equivalent to 30 million USD. Somebody just bought. Insane, guys. A new will has been discovered. Why do you think that person or entity bought that many XRP? Isn't that quite interesting? And it's being done during a lawsuit. It couldn't get more interesting than this. Next, it comes from CoinDesk. There will be another financial crisis. The question is, will the crypto derivatives market create it, fuel it, or help mitigate the negative fallout? Why crypto markets should care? The crypto markets are growing and maturing, which means inevitably more crypto derivative products will be available in the market for institutional and retail investors to trade. Crypto derivative product developers, regulators, brokers, dealers, traders, and exchange should learn from the mistakes of traditional capital markets, specifically the opacity of these markets, and build better ways to risk manage exposures, leverage in the form of margin trading, and foster growth in this potentially lucrative market while also protecting retail investors and keeping out mitigating damage from bad actors. Now again, guys, we can see right here, what did they say? They said another financial crisis. Remember, the collapse. XRP will be there to help with liquidity and enter the new system. Home designers tweet out, new Department of Treasury is going to outlaw cryptocurrencies. Now, look at this, preparing for the new Great Economic Depression. Interesting. Guys, we're getting these narratives of the economy should collapse. But the question is, when will that happen? And how will that happen as well? Because some people don't see that incoming. It's clear, guys. If you go to the next one from George, we can see right here, World Economic Forum going after Bitcoin and gold with digital SDR out. So we can see right here, a digital currency should be adopted as the world's leading reserve currency. If you go down here, XRP, guys, in front of our faces, they're showing us, but people are not believing them, that whatever is going to take place with the digital assets will be happening quite soon. It will happen sooner than everyone thinks, guys. Now, this is quite crazy because today we had a lot of popcorn informational news. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video, but who really knows what will take place at the end of the day. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe if you guys already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. And hey guys, see ya.
Sometimes I don't want to hear what Dan has to tell me. But as I wrote in one of my blogs, the old man, he's always right. Because he's telling you what you don't want to hear about yourself, but what you know is true. And that is, you're not stepping yourself up. You're not stepping your game up. And you get caught up in fear. As Dan says, false expectations appearing real.